assuming you make an independent film, and assuming in the best case scenario, it's something that a distributor wants to distribute, you will not be able to get any distribution in the United States unless you're able to purchase E&O insurance. E&O insurance stands for Errors and Omissions Insurance. You will be able to get some distribution for your film abroad because in a lot of other societies, they're not quite as litigious as we are here in the United States. And a lot of money, actually, for independent films comes from abroad. But if you hope to have your film shown in the theater in your hometown or shown on Netflix in the USA, you will need to get this insurance because virtually no distributor of any stature will distribute your film if you don't have E&O insurance. And E&O insurance essentially is malpractice insurance for filmmakers. If a filmmaker fails to get all the releases or secures all the rights to their film, perhaps they didn't get a license for a piece of music on the soundtrack, perhaps they didn't get a release, or didn't acquire the rights to the script if it's a narrative film. The insurance is what protects the broadcaster and the distributor. And if there's copyright infringement, everyone in the chain of distribution is potentially liable. So it's no excuse for the broadcaster to say, well, we didn't know that the film that we acquired to show on ABC, that the filmmaker didn't have all the rights. It's not an excuse. They're still liable for copyright infringement. Maybe they're an innocent infringer and the damages are less, but they can still be liable. And someone whose rights are infringed could go to court and potentially get an injunction to stop distribution of the program. So in order to get E&O insurance, you have to fill out a complicated form. And it asks all kinds of questions because the insurance company, they want your premium dollar, but they don't really want to take any more risk than they have to. And they're going to want to know that you have been diligent in getting all the necessary releases. And they're going to ask on that questionnaire, who's your entertainment attorney? They're going to ask, all kinds of stuff. And if you can't document that you have all the rights in writing, you're going to have a problem. And so sometimes filmmakers, they make a film, and then the film, gets some acclaim, and someone wants to distribute it, but they fail to get a release, for instance, from one of the actors. And now they can't find the actor because, actors, they move around. And that could stop you from getting distribution of your film. So you need